Here's how to find your OpenAI ChatGPT API key, or how to get one if you don't have one already. First, you want to open your browser and then type platform.openai.com, and you will need to log in or create an account if you don't have one. So I have an account already, so I'm going to press login and then log in with my Google account. Now, once you're logged in, you want to click on the settings icon and then go to API keys. Now, to create a new API key, you can click on create a new secret key and select whether it's owned by you or a service account. So in this case, me only, and then give it a name and then select a project or create one if you don't have one already. And then you want to set the permissions, whether all restricted or read only. So I'm going to use my this project name, for example, and then click on create secret key. And like that, you get your secret API key, which you can copy and then use in your project or whatever application you're trying to build. And here you can see the permissions. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.